Hi, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you daily Chinese handwriting on the character tiáo step by step. I will first write it in regular script, then following one word and one sentence. Now let's write. 条 strip, item, clause. For example, 条码 barcode. 条码 barcode. Microsoft Tag is an advanced barcode technology. 微软标签是一项高级的条形码技术。Microsoft Tag is an advanced barcode technology. 微软标签是一项高级的条形码技术。微软标签 Microsoft Tag. (是一项高级的 an advanced 条形码技术。Microsoft Tag is an advanced barcode technology. 微软标签是一项高级的条形码技术。条 in cursive. 条 strip, item, clause. 条码 barcode. Microsoft Tag is an advanced barcode technology. 微软标签是一项高级的条形码技术。条 Please comment any words or sentence with the character 条. I hope you find this video helpful. Support my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, click the bell, like, and help me share this video. Okay, that's all for today. Thanks so much for watching. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye.